won't find any whales or sharks in the water. But you do find excellent produce more food than any place on the whole planet. Even a rainforest is under that's a very good idea though. Permafriend is often used shell like this to protect your mouth. It's got a shell, excellent, keep going. Flat shell by absorbing minerals in the water. It's got a shell, okay, you loved it. And the little trap door.
No, I don't think it's webbed like a duck. Oh yes, it is webbed like a duck. You're right, Karen. Is it alive?
Yeah.
Maybe we should put it back in the water. What do you think? You want to put it back in the water?
Crab! There's a crab right there. See him how small he is?
We got it. Nice. Another mussel? Where's that crab leg? Woo! That looks like a... Casey thinks it's funny.
Stingray! I got some stingrays!
Jellyfish.
Yeah, good jellies.
Don't eat them. Jellyfish. Do they sting?
Yep, he's alive.
Oops, yeah. Let me down. It's gonna put a frame down, would you?
What do you got, Gabrielle? Kirsten, what do you have?
I have some ketchup. Look, I got all these. Yes, I got all these.
I know, I'm getting it on time. Thanks, Aaron.